welcome to my video. So today I'm going to be installing this Kinky straight V-part wig from Love Me Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring the video today. So of course I'm going to show you guys what the inside is looking like and how it comes with clips at the top and the bottom and both on the sides, which I love because it gives that extra security. Now I'm showing you guys how deep the V part is right here. Not gonna lie, I wish it was a little bit longer because it is kind of short, but I guess if you want that protection to protect your hair and not have your hair all out, that's fine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my head. Now when I did put it on my head, not gonna lie, it wasn't that big honestly, because I do have a small head. I say this in like every video that I do have a small head, so honestly it fit perfect for me. Now the only downside that I kind of didn't like was that the V part wasn't that long. I kind of like my parts to be a little bit longer, but that's okay. It did end up working out towards the end of my video. So yeah, I'm just over here fidgeting with the wig to make sure that it's all secure. Now I'll go ahead and put down all the clips. There is 2 clips at the top, and then there is one on each side, and then there's also one at the bottom. I honestly like to put on each clip to make sure that I have that security, because we don't want anything happening to this wig, especially when you're outside. The wind could be blowing, anything could happen. So yeah, I'm just making sure that the wig is nice and secure and that my part is nice and crisp. So I'm just using my brush to go ahead and blend everything together, because before the video I already went ahead and blow dried that part of my hair since I did want to do a side part. Now in these next few clips that you guys do see, I'm going to go ahead and straighten the hair. The hair is kind of like at this like puffy state, not puffy, but like a little bit bigger than I would like. So in these next few clips you guys are just going to be seeing me straighten the hair and also curl it. Honestly, in my opinion, this has been one of the best like kinky straight hairs that I've straightened thus far, because sometimes when you do straighten kinky straight hair, it kind of still sometimes does have like that little ripple in it and it's not completely straight. This one did have it, but honestly it's a lot straighter than the ones that I've used in the past, which I do really like. And it also has like a little bit of luster to it, which is really nice, especially when you're trying to blend it with your own hair. But I really did like that aspect of the hair. Now in these next few clips, again, you guys are going to just be seeing me straighten and curl the hair. So if you made it this far in the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think so far of the wig.
Overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the rhythm. I wanna ride the all night, working in the rhythm. Ooh. dress. Now it's drowning in our lies. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you I wake from my slumber, I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill, always talk about keep it real, only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will, really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens, the two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion, nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your boy, you act so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way, it's on enough. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby.
I wake from my slumber, I wish I could call you up, miss how you put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end, hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you, I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then cycle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around and
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way, circling around for eternity, going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
drifting on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you.
Now this is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and a shout out to Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below, and see you guys in my next video.